Call me crazy, but I think I just rescued one of the earliest Karmann Ghias ever built. Just picked up this 1956 Karmann Ghia Lowlight project, VIN number 1087373, body number 1753. Yes, body number 175. That makes this an incredibly early KGLL, likely one of the first production Ghias ever built. And the story gets even crazier. This car was literally 1 hour away from being crushed. It was part of a massive vehicle seizure here in Maine after a property owner ignored town orders about the huge number of abandoned vehicles on site. By pure luck and timing, I made it there just before the crusher did. Now this ultra-rare lowlight is safe. Here's the thing though, I'm a Karmann Ghia convertible addict. Current collection, 60, 61, 62, 64, 65, 69, 70, 71, and 73 convertibles, and 56, 70, 71 coupe. So I'm considering something that might sound insane to some VW people. I may trade this 56 lowlight project for the right project condition 63, 66, 67, or 68 Karmann Ghia convertible. Would you keep the ultra-early lowlight, or trade it for the missing years in the Vert collection? Let the debate begin. My YouTube channel is @BrainsWorld23.